friends, this is Nitika. Welcome to my channel Fanatical Travel. First of all, I would like to thank you all for supporting me on this YouTube journey. So, today's video is based on something I bought recently for all my future videos or all my future trips. So, this is the one which I bought and we will now start unboxing this. So, let's see what is it. So this is the packet that I got from Amazon. So now let's open it and bring the GoPro Hero 9 out of the packet. This is the invoice details. And this is the box that I got from this packet. So now let's open this box. So here it's written clearly, GoPro Hero 9 Black, Hyper Smooth 3.0 stabilization, 20 megapixel, 5K plus 4K 60, 33 focus and live streaming. These are the details of this GoPro Hero 9 Black. And so you can see the cost here. The MRP of this GoPro Hero 9 is 54,990 rupees. So now let's open the box. It will So I have got this case with this GoPro Hero 9 Black. So I think I don't have to buy the case for this action camera. This is the main camera and it's so compact, it can come in your hand as well. And this is USB cable. This is, I think it's for vlogging or something, we'll check it later. This is the screw. This is the battery that I got with it. And again, this is something we will check later. Here I have got some manual and it says subscribe to GoPro.com. This is how we have to use the GoPro. First we have to download the app. These are some stickers and here is the manual. So I'll read it and then we'll see what it says. So this is the main camera. Here it's given the mic. Okay, now I got this. It's for fixing it with the monopod or tripod, and I think it will fix only with the GoPro accessories. Here it gets fixed here. It gets fixed here, and this is the screw which will make it fixed with the holder. So this is it. So this is, I think here battery will go inside. It's not getting open. Okay, finally it's there. And this is the battery. it go. So with this camera I got this case, the main action camera, the helmet holder. We have to fix it on the helmet, head of the helmet. This is the charger, and I have already put the battery inside the camera. It's taking some time to open, so okay. It's touch screen as well. You have to select it here, language. By using this GoPro, I agree to the terms of use available at GoPro Legal. So agree. You have to open the GPS, and then there is some setup information. Install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and follow the app instruction. So that's it. This is the main camera. If you see it from here, this is the holder, this is the front camera, this is the back camera. So guys, that's it with the unboxing of GoPro Hero 9. I hope you liked the video, and the review you will see in my next video, where I'll shoot with this GoPro Hero 9. Basically, I bought this GoPro because I was planning to start a moto vlog. Like, I would travel through my scooty. It's TVS Jupiter. So hope you'll enjoy my moto vlogging also. Thanks a lot. If you liked the video, then please like, comment and share the video, and also subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.